What's up, world? This is Spike Rebel at Evolution Music, and check this out: the Human Voice Dynamic Wah. This is a cool pedal. Got it here. I don't know. They say Behringer pedals don't cost that much, but this is cool. This is you do it two ways. Got my guitar here. You can use it as a pedal. You can set it on a setting where it just does the wah wah by itself. So it's like this is one of those used ones I was talking about. Yeah, I don't like the they call it the pick guard, so I might just leave this on here for flavor, but I don't need that. Yeah.